In this video, I show you how to fix you cannot place a WhatsApp call if you are already on another call. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp if available any update version. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, tap on Force Stop, tap on OK, tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Cache. Now open WhatsApp. Now call someone. Now I hope that this method fixed. You cannot place a WhatsApp call if you are already on another phone call.